Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Wix website. Having a custom logo on your site is essential for building brand identity and making your website look professional. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the top part of your screen where you'll see a search bar. This search bar is actually the fastest way to add and configure a logo without having to navigate through multiple menus. It's a handy shortcut that saves you time and gets you straight to what you need. From the search bar, type in the word logo and hit enter. Several results will appear on your screen showing different options related to logos. From these results, look for the option labeled Logo Settings and click on it. This is where all the customization and configuration for your site's logo happens, so it's important to select the right option. Once you're in the logo settings, you'll be required to enter a name. This is typically the type of business you run or something related to your website's purpose. For example, if you're running a photography business, you might enter something like Photography Studio or your actual business name. This step helps Wix understand the context of your logo and how it should be displayed across your site. Now, to add your actual logo, simply click on the Upload Image button. A file navigation menu will appear on your screen. From here, locate the plus Upload Media button on the top left part of your screen and click on it. This button opens up all the different ways you can bring media files into your Wix site. From the Upload Media window, you'll have several ways to upload a logo. You can choose from your computer, Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, or even paste a link to an image online. For this video, we'll simply use an existing logo from our computer, so go ahead and click on Upload from Computer. This is usually the most straightforward method if you already have your logo file saved locally. A file explorer will appear on your screen. Locate the image you wish to use as your logo, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Your file will start uploading to Wix, and depending on the file size, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the upload completes. Once your logo has finished uploading, simply click on the Choose File button on the bottom right of your screen. This confirms your selection and applies your logo to your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom logo to your Wix website, giving it a more professional and branded appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.